we're here waiting for the start of Mini Bike Winter.
Hey, that's right. This guy's racing on his knees. He's got the miniest mini around.
So tiny. So very tiny. He does not even have a bicycle. I don't know what's craziest. His pants are magical.
On your left. On your right. Here's car. There's a car coming. Car! I bet it's you. Hey, safety equipment! This your car? Well, we don't think so. This your club? Well, you just messed us up. Concrete jungle. Well, it's time to go. Check it out, baby. Oh, yeah. Be on board. Never ride alone. How'd it feel tonight? It was scary. Very scary. There's still gravel all over the road. It's fucking just getting too close to the curb.
But good training for Mini Bike Winter, you feel?
Yes. The competition is going down.
Mini Bike Winter is about keeping your cool. I mean, it's not about the training. It's not about like how fast you can ultimately go. It's about keeping your cool and reacting to a dynamic something.
To learn more, you better be in Portland, February 15th through the 19th. Perhaps you'll stay alive long enough to tell a tale as well.